Dear students, in the last class we have studied area of rectangle and square. So today we are going to study area of parallelogram and triangle and solve sums based on it. Remember, area of parallelogram equals to base into height. Area of triangle equals to half into base into altitude. Area of equilateral triangle equals to under root a square upon 4, where a is the length of the side. So using this formula we are going to solve few sums based on it. The first sum, the base of parallelogram is 3.6 centimeter. Its height is 2 centimeter. What is the area? Given the base of parallelogram equals to 3.6 centimeter. Height equals to 2 centimeter. We need to find area. Therefore, the area of parallelogram equals to base into height. 3.6 into 2, which is equals to 7.2 square centimeter. The next sum, find the area of right angle triangle whose two legs are 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So here I have drawn the right angle triangle whose two legs means two arms are 8 and 7 centimeter. So given base equals to 7 and altitude, that is height, equals to 8 meter. To find area of right angle triangle, as we know the formula, area of right angle triangle equals to half into base into height. So half into 7 into 8. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So 7 into 4, which is 28 square meter. The third sum, find the area of triangles whose base and height is given below. So base equals to 8 centimeter and height equals to 9 centimeter. We need to find the area of triangle. So given base equals to 8 centimeter, height equals to 9 centimeter, to find the area of triangle. Therefore, the area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So half into 8 into 9. So 4 into 9. 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. So 4 into 9, which is equals to 36 square centimeter. The next sum, find the area of an equilateral triangle of side 20 meter. Given the side of equilateral triangle, which is equals to A, which is equals to 20 meter. To find the area of equilateral triangle. So as we know, the area of equilateral triangle equals to root 3 upon 4 into A square. So we have given the side of equilateral triangle, which is A, which is equals to 20. So root 3 upon 4 into 20 the whole square. So root 3 upon 4 into 20 into 20. So the root 3 value is 1.4732. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. So 1.732 into 5 into 20, which comes to be 173.2. Therefore, the area of equilateral triangle equals to 173.2 square meter. The next sum, the area of a triangular region is 12,692 square meter. The perpendicular drawn from one vertex to the opposite side is 76 meter. Find the length of its side. So we are given the area of triangular region equals to 12,692 square meter. Altitude is 76 meter. We need to find the base. So solution, area of right angle triangle equals to half into base into height. So area of triangle, that is 12,692, which is equals to half into base into height is given, that is 76. So 2 I will multiply here, 12,692 into 2 upon 76, which is equals to base. So 12,692 into 2, that is 25,384 upon 76 equals to base. So 76 ones are 76, 334s are 25,384. So base equals to 334. Therefore, the length of its side equals to 334 meter. The next sum, the area of a triangular region with base of 32 centimeter is 288. square centimeter. Find its height. So area of triangle equals to 288 square centimeter. Base equals to 32 centimeter. We need to find height. So area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So area is given, that is 288 equals to half. Base is given 32. We need to find height. So now keeping height on one side and shifting all numbers on other sides. So here 2 is in division. So it will, when it goes on other side, it becomes multiplication. So 288 into 2. Here 32 is in multiplication. So when it comes on other side, it becomes division upon 32. So 288 into 2 is 576 upon 32. So 32 ones are 32, 18s are 576. So height equals to 18 centimeter. The next sum. The base and the corresponding altitude of a parallelogram are 10 cm and 12 cm respectively. If the other altitude is 8 cm, find the length of the other pair of parallel sides. So we are given base of parallelogram, that is 10 cm. Height of parallelogram is 12 cm. Length of parallel side we need to find out. Since area of parallelogram equals to base into height, so let the base be x. So we have given the base and corresponding altitude, that is 10 and 12. So 10 into 12, which is equals to x into 8. So 120 equals to 8x. So 120 upon x equals to x. So 8 ones are 8, 15s are 120. So x equals to 15. So length of other pair of parallel side equals to 15 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded portion in the figure shown below. We need to find the area of the shaded portion. Figure is already given. The base is 30 and the height is 20, and this figure is a parallelogram, and inside figure is a square. The side is given 5 centimeter. So we need to find the shaded portion. So base of the parallelogram is 30 meter. Height of the parallelogram is 20 meter. Side of a square is 5 meter. We need to find out the area of shaded portion. Solution. Area of parallelogram equals to base into height. So base is 30 into 20, that is 600 square meter. Area of square equals to side square. So 5 square, which is 25 square meter. So area of shaded portion equals to area of parallelogram minus area of square. So when we subtract, we get the area of shaded portion, that is 600 minus 25, which is 575 square meter. So students, I hope you all have understood the problems related to parallelogram and triangle. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.